everyone, welcome to Radio DYRD.
I'm Janino with Answer with.
Welcome to the show, Let's Make It Glow. I'm Daniela here to help you know.
Welcome to the Sin It's Time to Be Sin. I'm Joseph here to help you achieve your dream.
Hello, let's start the show. I'm Dodi, hero to help you.
In today's headline, the government has launched a new program called Project Light for All to install solar power street light in every barangay.
The good news, no couples can stay romantic under a street even during the photo.
But be careful, these solar lights recharge from the sun, so if you're out past curfew, you'll be caught in the spotlight.
Hungry, try Mama Prita instant pancit down noodle that cook faster. Don't your loved ones can leave you on.
Mama Frita is so delicious, ready in just 2 minutes.
If only pwede kinda.
Mama Frita, instant pancit. Why wait for replies when you can enjoy pancit? Now for sport news in the Barangay Basketball Finals team. Taga-Tabi face team, taga-dito. The final score, taga-dito 89, taga-Tabi 88. So close, it felt like next door neighbor.
The MVP is John jump shot. His secret, drinking 3-in-1 coffee before the game, 3-point shot.
But team taga-dito. The coach shouted, fight team, but they heard peace team. So they went straight to the food stall.
Sweet, Buko bread color.
Smells so fresh like newly picked coconut.
Buko bread color is smell the province feel the
And now the weather today it's sunny with a chance of heartbreak for the broken heartbreak. In the zone expect clear case.
In Visayas, scattered rain showers just like your emotions, sometimes warm, sometimes cold.
And in Mindanao possible thunderstorm, but don't worry, after the rain comes a rainbow and maybe a passport promo.
And that's it for today news.
Remember, no matter the headlines, keep smiling. 1, 2, 3, go. Subok na sa katotohanan ng balita.
Radyo